In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Xero Intercompany account, Xero accounting software. 5 minutes. Intercompany accounts are perfect for tracking amounts owed between related entities like a parent and a subsidiary. They help you keep your books tidy by showing who owes what, and they make it easier to settle balances without messy workarounds. Let's walk through the setup clearly and confidently. First, head to the Xero login page and click Login. Enter your email and password and complete any two-step authentication if prompted. Click Login again to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. If you manage multiple organizations, double check that you're in the correct one before continuing because the chart of accounts is specific to each organization. Also, ensure you have permission to edit the chart. Advisor access or the right user role is required. From the dashboard, open the accounting menu at the top and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your general ledger accounts live. Click Add Account to create a new one. Now choose the most appropriate account type. For most intercompany receivables, select Current Asset. If your entity owes another company, select Current Liability. The goal is to reflect whether you're expecting to receive funds from a related party or you're due to pay them. If you're unsure, check with your accountant so your reporting and tax treatment remain consistent. Next, add a unique account code. Follow your existing numbering convention so it fits neatly into your chart. Avoid duplicating an existing code. Xero will flag that if it happens. Then give the account a clear descriptive name, such as Intercompany Parent or Intercompany Subsidiary, so anyone on your team can instantly recognize what it's for. Enable the checkbox labeled Enable Payments to this account. Turning this on lets you allocate payments or receipts to the account as a clearing mechanism, which is helpful when you're settling intercompany invoices or offsetting balances between entities. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be returned to the chart of accounts, and your new intercompany account should now appear and be ready to use. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep naming consistent across entities so reconciliations are straightforward, and use the same or complementary codes where possible. If you operate in multiple currencies, confirm how you'll handle exchange differences as you post intercompany activity. And finally, document your process so your team knows when to use this account and how to settle it regularly. That's it. You've successfully added a Xero Intercompany account.